Today I'll show you how we're going to make this beautiful brass bullion, 2.2 kilos, and this brass coin. Hi guys, as promised today we're going to be melting some brass, and I'm going to use bits of taps, a mixer, all sorts of fittings, plumbing fittings, and I've also got a piece of bullion that I did pour. It's got this huge hole in there, so I'm going to redo that. The other side looks pretty good. Bullion that I had, we got 783 grams. I'll turn the scale back on. And we have 254 grams, including the dish, which was 16 grams. So that means we'll need about 28 grams of aluminium. Let's put some aluminium on there. 26 point something. 20, 27, 28. So that's about right. That's the right amount. Okay, let's put it in the crucible then. See how we can fit it in. Get this makeup amount, shove that inside. Remember that just shrinks down to next to nothing, but it's the process that we got to take. And we'll shove some of this other material in here. Should all help it start melting down. And the large pieces we're going to put on top of the furnace while it's melting, just to heat them up, and then they're going to melt down very fast once they go in. Just get as much in here as we can. Oh, that's even. So it's an absolute beautiful sunny day outside here in Sydney, Australia, in winter. It's cool this morning, but now it's absolutely glorious. Couldn't be better. So we're going to do some some brass, I should say. We've got the crucible ready there, loaded up. We'll just get it fired up. Okay, let's get this thing fired up. Now it's time to get rid of some of the dross. We have it. Big slab of brass. Got to do some wire brushing, a bit of grinding. It's going to come up awesome. And I did this little coin experiment. Put a 20-cent piece in the bottom. It's going to come out backwards, but we'll just make a little cool coin there.